Let's start first learning how to create a table. Leave this console here. Let's launch one more. I think we have already the script right. Let's create this too. But can I copy paste? That's important here. Excellent. Understood, Muskan? Let me explain you the syntax also appropriately. Okay. You can see student details, create table. The syntax is universal, Muskan. Okay. Student roll number, that all data types we have already seen, and I believe you don't have any doubt. And once it is completed, it will show you certain time. How much time did it take to execute? Right? It took approximately 0.1 seconds. That's typically around 1,000th part of 1 second. It will show after that whether your table was successfully created or not. And let us see if there is a failure. Like for example, like let me name a table like this. It will not create. See. Now see, it is showing some error. What it is showing? Line 1 in command. So here you have missed the command. So this is line. And if you want to display line numbers also, that provision we have. And if you write it like that, it will create a student table also. Understood? And keep clearing this always. Okay. Keep cleaning this always. Before executing, always make sure that you clean this console. Okay. Now one important point here. You created this table, right? Run this again. What it will show? This one here. This is already used. Hence I said that once you create a table, right? As it's the only create, it is not create or replace. You won't be able to create one table twice. What you have to do? You have to drop this table and read. Drop command I will teach you. That we will see when we will study DDL. And again compile, we will be able to create student data. Got it? Any confusion here, Muskan? How to create a table?
No.
Okay, excellent. Now, once always, whenever you create any object, make it a habit. I know this is not a part of directly your agenda, but make a habit to see whether your table is appropriately created in your schema or not, or in your database or not. Okay. So for that, always query this table called user underscore objects. You go there. You'll ask for capitals basically. Understood? Okay. Now we have to make it capital. Okay.
Why didn't we write directly the student details instead of user objects?
Yeah, I will tell you. What we are first checking whether our table created or not. Now you get. I want to tell you whether this is created in database or not. That we must know first, right? No, this table you created, right? Okay, whether this is created or not. Select start from table, you are directly querying the table. But whether it is present in a database or not, how will you know? So always use user object and check whether your table is created appropriately or not. See, you will get entered. Understood? It will always be in capitals. Now, yeah, now your question is also equally correct. That can we do like this? Do like this? Yes, you can. You can. But it is like querying a table directly. What if you don't have permission to that table? If you don't have permission to this table, it is created by someone else, you won't be able to find out. Hence, whenever you want to check any object, any table, anything, check in user object. It is a dictionary actually. User object will have all the tables, every single item which is created here. Everything, whatever is created there, all things are stored here. Tables, all types of objects are there. See, you are able to see that function, view, synonym, package, trigger, everything. Hence, we advise the trainers that once you create a table, always check whether it is there or not. Now, if you want that this result should be with you and you are working on it, pin it. Okay, so that what will happen? This window will remain. Even if you execute this one, it will come in a next window. See. So this will remain intact if you press this thing. If you don't press, what will happen? If you execute this, it will here. If you don't, and you did not press it, right? It will keep on executing here. It will not give you a next query result. Understood? Now, if you pin it, now execute again, it will give you a fresh window. Got it? So use pin when you are working on a table and you not to work for long. You have a lot of work in this table. That time always use a pin, this pin function. Okay.